tired and I went to bed. Yeah. So a lot of people, well, when I say people I mean girls, a lot of girls have been asking for me to say how I found this product, which are the Shea pronounce this right, this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus. I forget how to read, like it only happens when I'm here. Again, Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. So this is for thick and curly hair. I got all the things. I got the shampoo, the conditioner, and the curl enhancing smoothie, which is like a leave-in conditioner styling cream kind of thing. This is the second batch I go through, except for this. This is still the first box because with this a little goes a long way. So what I'm gonna do is wash my hair, and I'm gonna use these. My hair right now, it's been like 5 days without washing, and I slept a couple nights with my hair down, which not a thing I should do because my hair ends up looking like a mess. I'm gonna show you. This is my hair days after no washing and no styling. I don't style my hair at all. This is how it normally is. Right now it's super messy, but that's what I want to show you, how it's gonna look like after I use the products. So this is it now. Can you see? My hair is more on the wavy side than the curly. The shorter it is, the more curly it looks, but otherwise it's very, very wavy. It's always been more wavy than curly. So I don't know how to say this to make it clear, but if you have curly or wavy hair, do not use random shampoos and conditioners. Use ones that are specifically for your hair type, because yes, it does play a role in how your hair looks and feels too. Well, from what I've read about these and the ingredients, they're really, really good. They don't have anything that really is bad for your hair that I know of. And my hair, I've been using them now for like 7-8 months, kind of since quarantine started. Huge difference. I really wanted to try them out and make sure I like them. Everybody washes their hair differently, but this is how I go about it. A really tiny amount of shampoo for my scalp. Only wash my scalp with the shampoo. Maybe once a week I'll actually shampoo my entire hair, but that depends on how it actually feels. I don't do that very often. I don't like it, and I've read that you shouldn't really apply shampoo to your hair, it's just to your scalp, because that's the only thing that actually needs to be washed. And then conditioner from the ends up, and I don't apply it to my scalp either. I go crazy with the conditioner. Yes, I know maybe you probably shouldn't, but it feels good. And I also brush my hair through whilst the conditioner is on. They're definitely more expensive than regular shampoos you can find at the supermarket or drugstores, but very worth it, I would say. And especially with the shampoo and this, you don't really need much, so they can easily last you months. Especially if you're like me and you wash your hair like once or twice a week. So off topic, I don't really have eye bags, but I have like, they're a little darker when I'm really tired, and this past week was hell, like oh my god. Actually any eye patches really make a difference, and I leave them on for as long as I want. Off topic, but this is just a tip from my girls and also my guys, like you can also wear it. Can you notice his lost weight because I usually lay down on him? Like look. He's so flat here. Okay, what the fuck am I doing?
2 hours later.
In the shower. What? Obviously. I usually apply this to my hair when it's kind of damp. Not like right after the shower. Now I'll show you what I meant by a little goes a long way. Literally this I've had for like 6 months. I'm not joking, and it's not even halfway. What did I take? Obviously it depends on how styled you want your hair to be, but I usually go with this much. It's a dollop, I think. I even think I took too much. This much. And I do this for like a couple of minutes. And that's it. I'll show you the hair when it dries to show you the difference. Honestly, these are the best hair products I've tried ever, especially for my hair type. Everybody's hair is different, but this is what works best for me. And it smells amazing. I mean, if you don't like coconut, you're not gonna like the smell, but I adore it. That's it. When my hair is kind of damp, I just do that for a while. And then I let it air dry. I never use heat on my hair unless I'm styling my hair, which happens almost never. Maybe like once a month or once every 2 months. So that's it. I'll show you when it dries now. So this is the hair the day after when it's completely dry. As you can see, I can't really compare it to when I first showed it to you. Like, it's shiny and nice and very like every strand or wave is very defined, which is exactly what I was trying to explain yesterday. And that's it. Let's keep it short and sweet. 100% I would recommend to girls that have curly and or wavy hair. And if you do try it, let me know what you think. And it's the morning, it's Sunday morning, 9 a.m. and I got ready to go see my grandma. I'm the best granddaughter that exists, okay? Like, who wakes up at 8 a.m. on a Sunday morning excited just to see their grandma? What was I gonna, oh yeah, so I'm gonna leave the link of the products down below, like their official website, so that you can see the prices there, and then you can compare it with different resellers that you may have in your location, because some overprice them way too much, and I'm sure you can find them at kind of the same price as their original price. So make sure you get the best deal, and again, a little of their product goes a long way. This two, definitely you need to get them both, because with this one, oh my god, when you wash your hair you're gonna feel it. And this is what actually helps the waves be defined for many days. So I would tell you to buy this and this if you want to start out, and if then you want, you can of course get the shampoo, but again, it doesn't play a big role in how your hair feels and looks, at least mine. No, but this is just a review. Okay, when I do the hair care routine, I'll show you what I actually do, like all the things I do to my hair, not just what products I use to wash it with. Okay, can you tell I'm freezing? Jonathan is sleeping. This is so awkward. Oh my god, Christmas videos are coming. Are you not excited? Because I'm so excited to decorate and stuff. I'm waiting for the 1st of December because this bitch right there doesn't want to start earlier because it's too soon. It's never too soon for Christmas, man. Never. Here you go. Oh yeah. Yes, I'm on the floor. Have a great week ahead. And definitely, if you try any of these products, I need to know. You need to tell me, did you like it? Did you hate it? Just let me know, okay?